In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to determine your level in Monopoly Go. As you'll notice on my screen, there's currently no obvious indicator of my level in the game. But don't worry, because I'll walk you through the simple steps to find out exactly where you stand. To begin, what you want to do is look for the profile icon. You'll usually find this icon at the top left corner of your screen. It might be small, but it's the gateway to revealing a lot about your progress in the game. Once you've located it, go ahead and give it a quick click. Now, immediately after clicking, you'll notice a number appear on the next screen. This number is crucial because it represents your current level in Monopoly Go. In my case, you can see that my level is 54. This number gives you a quick snapshot of your current standing in the game. If you want to explore further and see this information more prominently, you can click on the number. This action will bring up a larger screen offering more details about your progress. Here, not only can you see your level clearly, but you can also take a closer look at the achievements you've accomplished so far. This is a great way to track your milestones and see the ones you've successfully hit. Additionally, this larger view provides insights into upcoming achievements that you can aim for next. It's always motivating to know what's coming up and to have clear goals as you continue playing. Knowing your next targets can significantly enhance your gameplay strategy, keeping your sessions engaging and rewarding. And that's pretty much it. Now you know exactly how to find out your level in Monopoly Go. It only takes a few moments, but it gives you a more profound understanding of where you are in the game, which can certainly make playing more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, comment with any questions or additional tips you might have, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more useful guides just like this one. By doing so, you'll never miss out on future tutorials and can continue to enhance your gaming experience. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.